Hi, I'm Emily, and this is Kayla, and this is our Prezi on coal, gasoline, and natural gas. In this video, you will learn about non-renewable resources. You will learn how they are used in technology for electricity, the pros and cons of each, and the energy production for each. I'd like to start out with a short clip on coal and the debate on coal being clean.
You come here to ask American taxpayers for millions of their hard-earned dollars. In the past, you've emitted mercury, polluted streams, contaminated fish, destroyed mountaintops, spread lung and heart disease, and released more CO2 than all of our nation's automobiles combined. Now you claim you've seen the error of your ways and clean up your act. My good sir, in all honesty, are you really?
So what do you think? Scientists are still working to come up with answers, but as of right now, it's very useful in technology for various ways. Here's a quick summary of the technology of coal used in electricity production. Take some sunlight and flour and compress plants into the soil. Over time, those compressed plants will transition into coal. The coal will travel through boilers, turbines, generators, wires, and end up on the light bulb you use to see in the morning when you get out of bed. But using coal for electricity is not the safest. It comes with health hazards and pollutions to the air. Coal is only 35% efficient. When coal is burning, harmful chemicals are produced. For instance, mercury damages both the wildlife and our nervous systems, especially in children. Nitrogen oxide, also formed by the burning of coal, forms smog, a combination of smoke and fog that harms our lungs when we breathe in. It also harms the environment because nitrogen oxide contributes to acid rain. Sulfuric acid is harmful to humans because it helps create microscopic pollution. Particles that affect our respiratory system also caused from the burning of coal. Coal isn't all bad, however, its ease of use, low cost, and it's available throughout the globe. It is easier to burn coal compared to other resources because coal burns for a long time and you don't have to regulate it. Just toss the coal into a barbecue and you've got fire.
Now that Emily has informed you on coal, let me teach you about gasoline. First, here's a video.
Place where I want to be. Make the day a little better.
Now, that video wasn't meant to bash BP's company, only to show the ugly reality that accidents do happen. In the video, you saw ocean fires, dead animals, and horrifying crashes, all due to gasoline. Gasoline is a very dangerous product that comes with high costs and pollution as well, but gasoline is not all bad. In comparison, it is more affordable than other fuels like diesel and ethanol since it is higher energy density, it is convenient for further travel, and is 30% efficient. Gasoline is a mixture of 150 chemicals refined from crude oil. It usually is colorless, light brown or pink fluid. Gasoline is used in cars, boats, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and other engines. Gasoline usually contains additives affecting the way it burns. Additives are used to reduce air pollution. Gasoline is a powerful fuel for engines and a dangerous explosive. Gasoline evaporates quickly when exposed to air. Most gasoline spills in lakes, streams, or soil evaporates. Some spilled gasoline can seep into the groundwater and remain unchanged for years. But finally, natural gasoline. Here's a commercial for you.
People don't have to think about where their electricity comes from. They flip the switch and the light comes on. It's our job to make sure that it does. Using natural gas, this power plant can produce enough energy for about 600,000 homes, generating electricity that's cleaner and reliable with fewer emissions. It matters.
I bet you never thought about where electricity comes from, did you? Natural gas for hundreds of years has been known as a very useful substance. The Chinese discovered that the energy in natural gas could be harnessed and used to heat water. In the early days of natural gas industry, the gas was mainly used for street lamps and occasionally homes. However, with improvements, distribute channels, and technological advances, natural gas is being used in ways never thought possible. Natural gas is 80% efficient. There are so many different appliances for fossil fuel that it is hard to provide an exhaustive list of everything it is used for. And no doubt, new uses are being discovered all the time.
Natural gas has many applications, commercially, in your home, industry, in industry, and even in the transportation sector. While the uses described here are not exhausted, they may help to show just how many things natural gas can do. Natural gas is low carbon dioxide and sulfur oxide production, multiple uses. It's buoyancy in air, and its available natural gas burns more cleaner than most of the other fossil fuels. With reduced sulfur oxide and carbon dioxide production, natural gas is a start in making the world a better place. Natural gas has dioxide production. Natural gas is a start in making the world a better place. Natural gas has multiple uses: furnaces, hot water heaters, gas stoves, plastic, paint, and ammonia. In addition, it is also lighter than air, making a gas leak not so lethal to humans. Finally, another advantage with natural gas is that there is an estimated 6,000 trillion cubic feet of it left. Now here are however, some disadvantages of natural gas. It is a fossil fuel. Long pipelines are required and it can be expensive to operate. As you may already know, natural gas is a fossil fuel that affects global warming in a negative way. Also, long pipelines are required to transport natural gas from the drilling site to residential areas. These pipelines must be constantly maintained and can be costly in an event of leak. Finally, natural gas can be expensive to operate if the heat is not properly insulated.
That's all, folks.